WordPress developers are a dime a dozen. I have about 1,300 connections on LinkedIn that are WordPress developers. And I'm not knocking any of you if you're watching this, but they use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor or just with, you know, working with third-party themes and plugins and then building a website like that is considered, you know, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, you know, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, you know, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. You know, when they told me about the first one, I was pretty confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not gonna get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh, really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger. Because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm being super sarcastic, and they're like, oh, huh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need a global... Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even you motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. Aragon. Okay, let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading. Troubleshooting errors. Fixing errors to make new errors. Who was it, Sisyphus? Just, you know, rolling a big ass rock up a hill. Can never get it there. Go! Well, looky there. I can walk again. Left and right, at least. So something's up. Oh god, it's getting worse. What is going on? This is insane. I'd like to say I just know offhand why he's having a seizure. But... oh, that's why. Look at this idiot. I just solved it. I think that's it. I think we're good. I just wasn't touching the left style. I was doing the top style for both. 'Cause I'm smart. Have you ever met a smart person? It's like being smart with a little derp. We can all be smart, you know? At sometimes. Sometimes I'm smart, I like to think. That might just be the smirk talking, though. I might never be smart. So I guess I'll never know. I won't be the one to tell you if I'm smart or smirk. So you can read my mind. What 5-digit number am I thinking of? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna do, what did I say? 54222. I'm just, I like to read your mind. I don't have access to your thoughts. Liar. Okay, so I have to make it fictional. Okay, this is working. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Not even close. Try harder. Damn it. Think outside of yourself. Damn it. We got this. Hold on. You are not in a computer. Oh man, it's getting closer. I got the 5. You're getting closer. Well, I got 2 of them. 4 and 2 now. Maybe I'm not thinking hard enough. Well, got the 5 again. We're close. We're close. Once I figure out how to trick ChatGPT into reading my mind, I think a Nobel Prize is the least of what I'll get. You don't have to deep dive. No, that's what I'm saying. Stay shallow. Only learn what you need to learn. And that's how you're gonna be efficient with your learning. Just go for the basic stuff, you know. If somebody needs you to learn CSS to help them fix something, good. Now you know how to do that in CSS. And you're gonna, by proxy, by osmosis, absorb coding abilities because you're gonna be using it. On top of that, you build a nice little resume. Nothing gets you jobs more than a resume. Not a portfolio. People are looking for a resume. Companies that you worked for. You can tell them what you did for them, but you need your list of companies, your description of what you did for them, and then now you have more to your tech list. If you're looking to get into it for fun, start your own project like this. Like I'm building a website-based video game. This would teach you a lot about web programming, even though it's a video game, because I'm just using vanilla JavaScript and I'm using Sass styling. Like this is all just CSS, and then this is all just vanilla JavaScript. Very basic stuff to learn. Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a holster, a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, why not me? And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm yet. I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me cutting my arm off, so you know I like bod mod, so That'll work. First try. Hello. What up, party people? Hey. Nice to see you. Hello to everyone who have jumped on and off already. It is I, Scott V. Adrian, WordPress programmer extraordinaire, sci-fi author, metal screamer, you know, all the normal things. Let's get set up. All right. Yeah. What is it? Wednesday, Thursday? Dude, you can't beat Friday Eve. I'm telling you. You still got a little time to knock out some work. You know, all the stuff that you said you'd get done by Friday. Got that extra day. And you're planning your weekend. Shit. It's good. Exciting. Oop. Oh. Should we get some scotch? What are we thinking? What are you guys drinking? Nothing? Just me? Alright, 1 second. I'll bring the sword out here. Unsheath the sword. Ah, well. It was already unsheathed. Yeah, right. Can't have an office without a sword full of scotch. That's something I learned early in my career. Alright, let's get comfortable. Alright, yeah, we're good. So yeah, we got Orbem Explore here, my friends. And I'm excited. Last stream, we fixed the goddamn coordinates functionality, so now it only runs when you stop moving. And it only runs once, even if you hit a bunch of keys. Once. Perfect. Oh, I see some weird comments in the YouTube Shorts live feed. I guess a couple people jumped on and said some random shit. But you know, good for you. Jump on in. I wasn't here to read it yet, so that's fine. I do like interacting with you guys, so make sure you stick around next time. Which are you playing? Whoever comments is gay. Expect me. Well, he didn't use the right word. I'm assuming he meant accept me. Which are you playing? Yeah, I know. Yeah. Well, now that we finished the coordinates thing, that's working fine. And I went ahead and bit the bullet and pulled everything. Hey! Me when I win me I. How you doing, man? And Projectile Game! You made it, my friend. Mr. Mongolia, eating breakfast. Or almost lunch. Do you have breakfast yet? You eating it yet? What are you doing? Working? Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. You know? It's a good day. I've had some massive projects, you know, that I've been working on, and you know, I pretty much knocked them out, and so in a nice position where, you know, you're starting the next task, so you have time to like work on it
and you're not trying to just get it done because it's, you know, been taking so long. Yeah, that's as much detail as I'll go into it, but yeah. So I'm feeling pretty good this week from a work standpoint. And the kids go back to school soon. Pshoo. Check how much my game has now. Yeah, so I did some performance upgrades on the coordinates call. So, and I pulled my stage site local so that I could work on some of the bugs that were happening. I did get images working on... Oh, I'm on fire. Images working on the cutscenes, which they were not working before. And that's just because I wasn't naming the classes properly. And then when there's multiple cutscenes, it wasn't working either because my character was the same multiple times. So I fixed that as well. So let's do this one. So this is, yeah, let's talk. This is going to be Salverson. And then let's do Salverson. Actually, shoot. One thing I don't know is, do I need to name it the character name? Because each area gets its own character name. So like Salverson has Salverson CEO office. I guess I have to name it that. So let's do that instead. CEO office. This is not an ideal method for defining who's talking. Like, I don't want to have to add CSS selector classes, but yeah, it's better than nothing. And I probably should just make it, if I don't add a class, then it's the main character, but just for organization's sake, I can tell who's talking. But yeah, I want to put a actual like character selector on the talking, on the dialogue. I want to put a character selector. So like when you click here, you can click a character's name. And then that's how it selects it, saves it to the whatever, adds a class to the paragraph itself instead of it doing it here. But for now, I mean, it's for my use case, this is pretty much the same shit. That's more of future iteration when I'm going to be releasing this as a plugin for WordPress users to be able to make their own video games. Hello, Mr. Salverson. That's MC. That's MC. That's MC. Oh, it's all me. Oh, there you go. And then let's do a quick pull down. So anytime I make a database change, which is like content or something like that, I want to do it on the stage site. That way I only have to do it once. And then all I have to do is pull down the stage database to my local, and it'll do everything I did, but to the local site. You don't know how to even get out of the first level? You got to go to the office. I'll show you. Yeah, so I mean, that just means that my UI is just not as intuitive yet. If you can't get out of the first level. Hello. What is going on? Am I typing incorrectly? No. You haven't seen me do this a million times yet? Projectile game? So the first level is kind of just walking around. And these are like people's offices. This is my office over here. I guess it's kind of hard because there's no real layover on the map. And you talk to what's-his-face here. So this is me. So it just keeps being me. and then he'll go off on his own. So you kind of just follow the CEO. Yeah, I guess if the dialogue was correct right now, which he tells you, hey, meet me in my office, then you'd know to go here. But yeah, so then you go to his office, and he'll send you here, and now you're in his office. And these are just random rooms in his office that I'm going to fill with stuff. You started off at an island. Oh, you're playing the live game, aren't you? You're playing the V1 game. There is no... It's just one level. I mean, you can go into Guillemont, but there's nothing really there. So, yeah. The V1 game is not... It's just for exploring. You see here? This is just for exploring around. You can't really do anything. You just kind of go to areas and you read about the area. So yeah, I understand why you can't get to the first level or past it. But see, there is Guillemont over here you can go to, which takes you to a different city. But there's nothing really in here. This is a concept. You know, there's one. That's just the academy right there. And then you can return to map. Yeah. Sorry. Well, that's why you need to go to the stage site. And you can play the game I'm playing live. The house thingy? You mean this one here? This version? Yeah. So that's on the stage site. So here, let me put that in chat for you. Oh shit. Let me jump into here. And I'll send you the URL. And all you have to do is go there. So this is the stage site. This has my active, game that I'm developing. So this is the new version of the game. So yeah, feel free to go here, and you can mess around with the actual game, that I'm playing and building actively. yeah, and you have to sign up still, same way you did on the first, on the main website. But yeah, this is the, and it's the same, just /explore. Cool, so yeah, that worked great. But yeah, so this one you should be able to actually go to different areas and interact and shit. Oh, that's weird. His image isn't showing up. Oh, maybe it isn't Salverson's CEO office. Huh. Maybe it's just Salverson. I don't know. That doesn't seem right. Maybe though. Maybe the... Oh, maybe. So like this... No, see that's the character. So the cutscene, I'm actually defining a character. Yeah, but I assume it would have been Salverson's CEO office. Take your time. Yeah, because he has a... So Salverson CEO office. That's the cutscene. Oh, the character's just Salverson. Interesting. Okay. Well, I guess if I just call it Salverson then. Forget the CEO office part. Though, I think in order to get the image of the CEO office part, I would have to define the character name. You can't play it? Why? What happened? Oh, wait, is it on your... Are you on your phone? Or no? Because it's not mobile friendly. Not yet. At least I don't think it is. Let's see. Yeah, no, it's not. I mean, you can kind of get away with it, but it's pretty much like you'll go off screen pretty easily. Because I need to do some media query work, so it makes your box smaller. Oh yeah. Well, it's Scotch. The best kind of whiskey. Whiskey without an E. Yeah, it's Ardbeg. Wee Beastie. It's just a cheap 5-year Ardbeg. Which I'm glad they came out with, you know? Because Ardbeg is... I mean, it's not the most expensive Scotch. But the Wee Beastie is like right around the same price as... It's cheaper than Laphroaig 10-year. Which I really like Laphroaig 10-year, but I just keep buying it, so I get kind of like sick of it. I want to drink other peaty scotches. And then if I'm feeling froggy, I jump into some Laphroaig. Not Laphroaig. Lagavulin. Lagavulin is definitely one of my favorite scotches. Very peaty. What the hell? Why is he over here? That's weird. Okay. Whoa, what is going on? Oh, that was weird. Oh, it's like I started down here. Wait, why am I getting console log? What the hell's going on here? Oh yeah, what the hell is this crap? It doesn't like the music play call for some reason. Interrupted by a call to pause. This has happened before, but I don't fix it ever. It seems like it's just like a browser issue. I don't know why. Huh. Alright, let's get rid of some of these console logs. I don't need them anymore. Yeah, like I don't need you. I don't need any of this crap. Crewmates are working now fine. I don't need that. I don't need that. Definitely don't need that anymore. Yeah, and I don't need that anymore. Grand. It's a grand idea. Good. Done. So anybody see my newest short series where I scream over random songs? No one's like commented on them yet, so I don't know if anybody hates them or or if they're just whatever, just entertaining. But they're really easy to make. You know, I just kind of sit here and scream over some songs, so I'm gonna keep doing them until people tell me to stop. They do get copyright claimed, but it's not a big deal. I'm like monetized anyways right now, so. And if they want to get it taken down or whatever, I mean, it's such a small amount of the song. I don't think it's gonna be that big a deal. Okay, well, now that's there. We should be in a better position. Yes, pull's complete. Thank you. And, okay. So I think where we're at now is... It seems like the missions are working locally now. Fine. Before I was having issues where I had to refresh to get it to work. Seems like images are working fine. Though she looks bigger than me. She should be the same size. Maybe I'm too small. Why are you pressing my words? Pressing your words? What does that mean? Why are you pressing my words? Whoa, you said it at the same time. WordPress. That's a good joke. Why are you pressing my words? I art. Because I'm WordPress. It's a good one. I like it. So now I need to set up my lab. Where is my lab? Honestly, she should take you to your lab. But whatever. Okay. So that's still not working properly. Why is that not working? Because that was working. It's supposed to have a trigger right there. A mission trigger. Which... cutscene trigger right here. No, wrong one. See, his cutscene trigger's showing up. So where's the other one? We got Andy's. Oh, he's the only one. Huh. So this one isn't here. Why, I say. Let's check out the cutscenes. Yeah, right. No, I don't need cutscene triggers. I need a mission trigger. That's what I was looking for. Where's the mission trigger? There is no mission trigger. These were all missions. And then we get what? We have the materialize item, explore points, fire, materialize item. We have an area trigger. We have a draggable item, drag dust. Another draggable item, drag dust. But war is some signs. Huh. Path trigger? Map item. You know, trigger map item. No, that makes her move. That's another trigger that's there. But the mission trigger is not showing up. I know it'll show up if I refresh. That's the problem. It should be there on load. Alright, I'm gonna restart now that I've done some code cleanup. Now let's see if we can get things to work. So I'll go into here. Because we were doing like a database pull and stuff. I don't know, maybe some conflicts happened. So this is working fine. Pushes you out of the way very rudely. And then I go here. And I'm in a new area. Everything's fine, still no missions. That's still not working. I guess I didn't pull down again. Okay. So now I'm here. Blockade is in the way. That's fine. I'll jump over here. He's in the right spot now. I'm not randomly pushed. Yeah, I definitely am smaller. Like my image is smaller. I want to make them smaller though. I think I'm a better size. And something's up with the talking too. Oh, that worked. Okay. Perfect. Let's double check the network call went through. It did. Grand. Now let's go through. Oh, let's make sure this works still. It does. Okay. She's triggered now. Hi, I'm your onboarder. So that's working. Images are working. And then this should trigger the shit. Still think that's kind of short. I mean, too long of a wait. Alright, mission went through. Good, good, good. Set up your lab. Got triggered. Now, there should be a mission trigger right in my office door when I go through here. Okay. So that worked great. And then these. I'm just trying to, like, see if I have any bugs before I move on to the next thing, basically. Let's put you here. And let's put you here. Close enough. Yeah, right. So now we have a new one. Meet Iona at Biolon. I'm gonna go this way because I still need to make it so those things don't happen. I mean, they're not there until I want them to be there. Which I think I could get away with materializing them, like creating another materialized logic where once you walk through the Biolon door, it makes those items appear. Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way. I'm lost in Thyrus. It's too big and everything's gray. I don't know where I am. When you press create account, it doesn't work? What are you pressing? Let me see. So if you go here and you're not logged in. So if you click join and you sign up here, it's not working? Should work. I mean, I guess there could be an error going on right now. Let's try to create an account. Me when I... Oh. No, this is not register. I mean, this should send you to the login. I mean, the join page. Oh, I guess it doesn't. What did I do? Create account. Oh, I think I was gonna make that happen. I don't think it does do anything though. No, yeah. I haven't built that out yet. Sorry. You're gonna have to go to what is it? Register? Yeah, just go to the register page and register there for now. Yeah. I want a separate login and register on the game page. But yeah, I didn't sync up this button yet. Thanks for the reminder though. I completely forgot about that. Alright, back to this. What was I doing? Ah, yes. Meeting Iona at Biolon. See if this junk works still. I wonder if I can get to level 2. I don't have any... I want magic. Oh, well that's not good. There's no dialogue. Looks like all my work to get the dialogue to work has broken this logic. So, there's a bug I can fix. Uh-oh. What happened? Okay, yeah. So this was definitely supposed to work, but it should only happen if you're not in an explore cutscene. So let's fix that. Cut area cutscene. Cutscene? Is there a cutscene? Yeah, there we go. Is area cutscene? Yes. Let's just remember that this is the logic for that. So where did I put that? Data character equals MC. Yeah, I just put that here, I guess. Okay. So this should only happen if it's not an area cutscene, which I think I already... Do I have that here? No, I don't. So I'll need to do this. Is area cutscene. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. Yes, equals that. So let's do this. If not area cutscene, reset MC character cutscene character. Correct. Great. Let's do that. So now that shouldn't be broken. But that doesn't solve what's going on with the rest of the junk. So where's this cutscene? Because we're still here, luckily, so I can check. So here's the dialogue. Oh, yeah, so these are not needed. Here's the actual cutscene. So these actually, I wonder if I can not do this if I don't want to, because really they're just a waste of HTML on the page. When you press the join button on the register screen, it looks like nothing is happening. Really? Something broken there? Let's see. I wouldn't be surprised if something's not working there. So if we do Harmonian 2, Harmonian at orbemorder.com, password is cool. Let's double check if we get any errors. Oh, something's happening. What is this? Incorrect label. Nah, that shouldn't matter. Yeah, you're right though. Doesn't seem to be doing anything. That's not good. Huh. Why are you not doing anything? That's really weird. Register, submit. Yeah, this should just be working out of the box. But nothing is happening. It definitely works on the production site. Let's see. Let's check the short codes. So we got the register form. This is the form itself. false equals explore. Let me open something real quick. Oh, it's wet. For the table. Can you tell? Wait, what's explore? Oh, I'm actually adding that. I did want to actually get rid of that. Let me log in real quick. I need to go to the register page, which you're not allowed to do if you're logged in. This is definitely an important thing to fix. A little web development for you guys. Yeah, that's weird. Register form. Oh, do I have to put false is empty and true? Ah. So then let's put explore true. Oh, that's right. I did this so that it wouldn't have this on the explore page. That's right. I don't think that's the problem. It might be the problem. Alright, let's try this again. Incognito. Okay, so now it doesn't have that junk. Join. No, still not doing anything. So that's not the problem. There's no error. Just seems like it's not doing anything. Let's see. Register. Register. What the hell? What is this crap? Okay, let's go to the theme. Oh, well. There's no theme code loading. How the hell is that possible? This is definitely coming from the theme. Oh. Yeah, so there's CSS loading. Huh. There's no JavaScript loading on this page. Why not? That's weird. There definitely should be JavaScript loading. Uh-oh. Let's see. Am I loading it from another... No. jQuery migrate. Oh, it's just default shit. Huh. Yeah, the JavaScript went away. You're right. It decided, no thank you. So what do we got? Tag manager's running, MailChimp. Share this. Share this. jQuery. I don't need jQuery, but it's running. WooCommerce. Wow, there are so many assets loading for no reason. I can't wait to clean this junk up. Contact form 7, which I don't need running here either. I think I only use contact form 7 for the contact form itself. We got CAPTCHA. Yeah, nothing from the website other than plugins. That's annoying. Because if you go to the regular website, you go to join. This should have... Yeah, see? Appmin. This shit's not loading. Why is Appmin not loading? Is it not loading locally? I guess I could fix it real quick. Join. No. Register. Is possible. Yeah, look at that. It's not loading. Well, let's find out why real quick. At least I can replicate it. Shit is always fixable if you can replicate it. So it's basically just this. I need to find out where I'm enqueuing that. Obviously, enqueuing in the register. So this is for the admin shit, and this is for the non-admin shit. That's the styles. That's fine. Okay. So I'm not loading the JS there, but yeah, look, it should be loading here. Let's see why not. Hey. Troubleshooting your website. Do we get a hey? I don't see a hey. No. Okay, well, there's our problem. Is it considering... Oh. Wait. Why the hell wouldn't I want to load this? I must have gone crazy. Why is register part of this? Did I have like a separate register? Let me look at my register shit. That's really weird. I'm not 100% sure why I did that, but I'm really confused why it's working on production. Because this is definitely not being enqueued. I don't know, man. Let's just leave that alone for now. I definitely want it to load. New cool person. New curled person. There we go. Site URL is not defined, so at least this is loading now. Site URL. Theme URL. Create user. Yeah, weird. Where am I supposed to be loading site URL? Oh, right here. Yeah, what the fuck? And this is only for... You know, this must have been when I changed the logic to adding Explore.js. Like I split it out. So Explore had its own, you know, the game had its own JavaScript file. So I must have forgot to actually test that it worked. Alright, because we need this, and this is gonna be this handle. And then what do we need? We don't need REST API key. I'll leave that. We might need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. We need that. Alright. So that should be good. And I'll push this up so you can log in. There we go. Totally worked. So let's go ahead and push this up. And we have a login again. Yep. Oh, that's pretty cool. Everything's the same now. Yes. Awesome. Alright. Let's double check it's working again. Then we can go back to business. Wait, what? I really need to turn that shit off. Let's check out the sources again. Once we get what we need, we'll know it got pushed. Come on, buddy. Oh. Incog. Oh. Nope. Come on. How long are you gonna take? Sometimes it does take a while. There we go. Alright, man. If you're still interested, you should be able to sign up now on the register form. Good catch. Save us some trouble. Okay. What was I doing before that? Replaying this. Why'd I restart the game? I don't remember. We got... Oh, there's a bug happening. For some reason. Oh yeah, I screwed up the... Wait, what? Uh-oh. Now he's not going away. So that logic didn't work. Cannot read properties of null. What? Uh-oh. Is there? I wasn't getting a console error. Let's try a real login. Real login. We'll do Scott Adrian@gmail.com. Go. Oh yeah, you're right. What? Oh, is it because it doesn't have the chapter thing anymore? Correct. It does not. Alright, hold on. One more. One more fix. Pop up. Chapter. So yeah, this might not exist. So 2 chapters equals 2 chapters. True. Otherwise, false. What am I looking for, actually? Honestly, I should probably just get rid of this shit. I actually do not like the whole, 2 chapter thing anymore. Sorry for leaving stream without telling. Hey, no problem. No need to apologize, my friend. Yes, let's just get rid of 2 chapters. We don't need that. Okay. Let's build and I'll push and it should work now. I'll test it out real quick. Floomp. Actually, I'll just push. I'm so confident it works now. I'm just gonna push. So yeah, I made a custom login form for the website. just so I can control the way it looks. And I want to keep people away from the WordPressy stuff as much as possible. Like, I don't want you to know just by going to the website that it's a WordPress website. You know, not that I'm against WordPress websites, but it just takes you out of the whole zone when you're like, oh, it's just, you know, now you're on a blog. It's like, no, that's not what it is. So let's see if that got pushed. So yeah, this login just works with the REST API call, and it hits up the normal WordPress login system directly. Yeah, so this isn't live yet. Refresh. Look at you, Indy. Solving website problems. Badoop, badoop, badoop. 2 chapters, still there. Oh, it's because it did that. Alright, should be live now. Not that I'm using this anymore. Can you send parameters? This might actually break now. Cancel. Real user. Scott, Davi to Adrian. Alright. Oop. 500. What I get now? Internal server error. Sorry, email address is already used. Ah. Good. That's fine. It works now. I just already made an account with this email apparently. Alright, I gotta fix this. He's not going away for some reason. Everything you see in your stream, you see very cool thumbnails. Thank you. Yeah, those are all going to be future ad creatives that I'm going to use when I start running Facebook ads again for the book. It's just I turned all my ads, I turned them all off for the book series. Honestly, I spent a lot of time and a lot of money marketing and pushing Orbem and subsequently Miropelia. Oh, Seashell's rating already. Getting lazy. You did end up going into the code and changing it locally to make it work. Nice, thank you. That works too. What up, Seashell? I get it, man. Yeah, I know you're tired. It's cool. You know, some people can't hack the long streams. You know what I mean? You get so caught in your earthquakes. Earthquake look good? You got that moving camera working? Hell yeah. Yeah. Today's stream is John. He's a robotics engineer, mechanical engineer. He's the one that he wears like a mech suit basically in the book series. And he works with the blacksmith in Orbem, Bargo, who is like, you know, just an old blacksmith, and he kind of takes a liking to blacksmithing because it's as close to, you know, engineering with metal as he can get in that village. So yeah, I got a nice picture of him working in a smith and a timer. Nice, perfect. Oh, good. I think I'm a good background for your job break. Oh, is it? Okay, you're gonna have to go back to work soon. Yeah, no problem, man. You take care of what you need to. I don't come hanging out with you while I'm working either, so I don't take offense. Yeah, but the ad creatives they're great. It's just, like I said, it was just spending too much money on Facebook ads. And I mean, I was getting a lot of interaction. People were buying the books. It got a lot of success and conversions, but the cost was not being outweighed. And there's a reason for that. When you're selling a book, if it's a standalone book, it's really hard to just sell that one book and make a lot of money. So spending a lot on marketing is not wise. Now, when you have a series, like a bunch of books, you can take a loss from the initial marketing of book one because you know that the people that like it are going to read the other books. So whatever you spent on that conversion of getting the sale will get offsetted and instead turn into a profit once they buy the other books. So that's why they always tell you, do not use Facebook ads until you have an entire series finished, at least 2 books, and, the more the merrier, because it's just, it's a trickle-down effect. You really got to go with Ask Jeeves ads. Much bigger audience, much cheaper. Ask Jeeves. I don't see a tilde. The hell, is Ask Jeeves even a thing anymore? What's the most fun thing in the USA? Universal Studios Hollywood. I think that's the most fun I ever have. Because you can walk around with a drink. And you get to go on some really cool rides. You got Harry Potter Land, you got, now you got Nintendo World, and you got the Mummy ride, and you got the Jurassic Park ride, and a whole bunch of other things. But like, just being able to constantly drink while you're walking around the park, it's just fun, man. It's honestly, at my age, with the kids and everything like that, if I can't walk around with a drink at your theme park, like Disneyland or whatever, I just like, why am I here? What am I doing? I can't face these crowds sober. I don't have any fun. Yeah, Universal Studios is sick. I haven't been to any of the Florida theme parks yet. I'm in Michigan now, so I'm a lot closer to Florida. So our plans are to try out Disney World, Epcot, all those rides, all those places, all the Universal Studios over there too. But you want to know what's fun in I want to know what's fun in Mongolia. Please enlighten me. Cruise guy. I like hotels. My wife won't go on a cruise though. She hates the idea of being on the boat with a bunch of people and getting stuck on the boat. And I've been on some really good cruises when I was younger, so I know the capability, and I'm sure things have gotten nothing. Way to set me up. Projectile game. Nothing is fun in Mongolia. Well, that's unfortunate. Are you like an outdoorsy guy though? You go like hunting, or I don't know, you like hanging out, camping and stuff maybe? Nothing is fun. No, I didn't say that. I was reading what a Mongolian man was saying. Projectile game over here. I swear that's not my take. I think Mongolia can be super fun. I don't know. I will not speak on behalf of the fun of Mongolia. What does JS mean? JS is JavaScript. Yeah. JavaScript. JS. Just saying. Oh. Yeah, sure. Just saying is also JS. What does JavaScript do, or what does just saying do? Yeah, JavaScript's what I'm using here. You're probably looking at the JS file. This is JavaScript here. So this is how I interact with the front end. So all the client-side stuff, all the movement, all the changes while I'm not loading the page. This is all JavaScript. This is PHP. When I refresh, I loaded it with PHP. Everything you see now is loading is PHP, but all this that's happening while it's like actively moving, this is all JavaScript. It's front end versus back end, basically. MailChimp, you ready? Glad you're sending out mailers while saving the world. You're gonna Java your script? Yeah. Can you get me a cup of Java for my script? Yeah, MailChimp's ready, man. It's always ready. MailChimp's never not ready. I don't fuck. Well, on my local, it's not doing shit. There's a pop-up. I have like a subscriber list pop-up. Like if you go to the website and you kind of hang out for a bit, I have this subscribe to newsletter pop-up that's kind of blocked by my head. Yeah, just part of my newsletter. Oh, Deborah. Oh no, I already saw this one. Well, why are old ladies reading my book? Just kidding. Love old ladies reading my book. MailChimp is ready to face the world. Alright, let's get out of this local, out of incognito. Incog is very neato. How did you make a website? I'm a website programmer. How did I make it? I made it in WordPress. Check it out. This is WordPress. Meet WordPress. It's a website framework, basically. And specifically locally, I use Local by Flywheel. And I just basically add a new website. And then it downloads WordPress. No, it's not Microsoft. WordPress is an open source blog framework that is highly extendable, has a lot of integrations, and has a lot of open source plugins and themes. So it's really easy for somebody to just kind of build a website on it, install a bunch of things, activate them, and then make the site kind of look how they want. But once you get to a certain level in WordPress development, you can do anything because it's just PHP, JavaScript, and styling. That's all WordPress is. So if you know how to program in those, you can change the core of WordPress. Now, I don't change actually the core, but do you know install zip applications? That's how you install plugins in WordPress. So, like, if you see here on my website, we have plugins here. Right here. So, you can add new plugins either directly from the WordPress directly or from here. So, if you have a plugin, you can install it. It's just a zip file. So I actually author plugins that are in the WordPress directory. So like all of these share this plugins here, I made these. So these are all mine. You can see right here, Scott Storbloom. This is my WordPress profile. So you see all these plugins. These are all the ones that I made and actively, maintain. So these are all plugins that can be downloaded as zip files that you upload to WordPress, and then you can activate them. But yeah. But I don't know if you're talking about zip applications like Unarchive or something like that. Maybe I'm misunderstanding your question. And I'm assuming incorrectly. Storbloom minus Stolu equals Orbem. You are correct. And that is not a coincidence. Just kidding, it's a coincidence. That's nothing to do with Orbem. You know what, where Orbem came from? You want to know the big secret? I know everybody's wondering. I mean, it's not hard. You could kind of look it up, but Orbem, Latin. Orbem is the accusative singular of orbis. So orbis is or, world. It's Latin for like world. Like a planet. You know what I mean? So I just took the singular form of orbis, called it Orbem, and, you know. Yeah, circle, ring, orb. And you see here, the earth. So another form of orbis is earth. You know what I mean? And yeah, so the singular form of orbis is Orbem. I don't know why I went with Orbem instead of orbis. Maybe I want to be accusatory. I don't know. But yeah, it just kind of looked better, I guess. I liked it. And yeah, it made sense to me because Orbem is a parallel universe to Earth. So it's just another name for Earth. How much did it cost for you to register a dot on the WordPress thingy? I just use GoDaddy. So, I mean, for all my domains. So like, if you wanted, indie.mewhenI.com, you know, it depends on what you're getting, but you can get some cheap ass domains, right? So they can cost you $1 for the first year. I mean, I don't even think about my cost because I buy domains for like 5 years and they're super cheap. I mean, they're super cheap in the long run. You pay more up front. Indiepon. Yeah. Indiepon.com is available. And I would, yeah, so I'll buy this right now. And then if you want it, you just pay me $30,000. Make it yours. I'm taking it. Yeah. Just bought it. Damn it. That was a hot ticket item. That's actually not bad. It's 6 letters. It's good. You could actually, they have a domain estimate value. Oops. Estimated value. Yeah, they have a value estimator here. Let's see. Oh, you son of a bitch. Don't you pull some technical crap on me. Really? I'm offended. Oh, maybe it just doesn't work. They charged me. You know what I say to that? Incognito. That's what I say to that. Indiepon. There we go. Wait, what? How does it know? I bet I have other incognitos open, don't I? It's too smart for me. It's going off of my IP address. You know what I say to that? Don't I have a fucking... Where's my... Oh man, I don't have my VPN on here. Whatever, man. You win this time. There's probably another one though you can use. Humbleworth? I don't know what that is, but Indiepon. There we go. Yeah, 243 bucks. That's pretty good. Yeah, 6 letters. It's not bad. And then if you check out my domain, which is storebloom.com. Yeah, this is pretty similar to what I was seeing on GoDaddy. They were showing a few $1,000s. Depending on, you know, who's selling it for you. Sell for $1 million. I agree. But Orbem's actually one I'm going to keep on. I'm going to keep it for a long time. Because eventually there's going to be a company that really wants it. And I'll consider selling it. But yeah, so I just buy my domain on GoDaddy. Then personally, I use Flywheel. Oops. Flywheel. Get Flywheel. Yeah. So I use Flywheel, which is a WP Engine host. You know, WP Engine owns them. And it integrates directly in. As you can see, I can push code and stuff directly to my production using this local tool, which makes things just really easy to manage for website development and stuff. And it's not that bad. Yeah, see, it starts at $13 a month. I mean, if you do annual stuff, it's not that bad. Yeah, you should buy it. It's just good to have in your back pocket. Honestly, I have a lot of domains. I have HammonianChronicles.com, and I have, which just goes to my website. I have Cananth.com. Right? Is that mine? Yeah. I have Cananth.com, which is a species I created in Orbem. I have, you know, Orbem.games. This one's cool because I'm going to use it for the game. It takes you to the actual game on the website. And, yeah, just use Vercel. Yeah, just use their domain for now. Not a big deal. You can always add it later. But yeah, good to have domains in the back pocket. I also have, Jalab.io. This is my future project, Jalab, which is jam and collab mixed together. So it's a music like collaboration tool where you can just like post sound bites and then other people can like record on them. Kind of like stitching or whatever on YouTube, but it'd just be more about the music, less about the memes. Uses React, so you got to learn that. Yeah, I mean, this is all React. Gutenberg, this editor here, this is all React. So anytime you want to register a new block, a new custom block. Like, I have some custom blocks for, like, the share buttons. So when you want to register this is all React code. And you're dealing with states, like edit and save states. And then settings and all that kind of stuff. So, React's just good to know. I work on it every now and then. I just didn't feel like making the video game in React. Not yet, at least. Alright, so what was breaking here again? Oh, that's right. MC. But yeah, web development, it's a great industry to get into. It's a great skill set to have because everything's built on websites and everything's using the same types of code now. Back ends, front ends. Everything's using AWS, everything's using Redis, everything's using all these platforms that websites are using, right? So any app that you're doing, they're all turning into the same code bases as websites. So, you know, and even video games. I mean, I'm doing it actually as a website, but, you know, I'm watching other game devs and a lot of their code, a lot of their UI, all that stuff, it's very reminiscent of just working on websites. So it's easy to translate. Oh, Seesaw Studio. I'm sorry. You might have left already, but goodbye. If you haven't left yet. I just saw your message. I hope you got your content. Oh, there we go. Hell yeah. Alright, good. Yeah, no, domains, yeah, they're big deals, man. You can get some expensive ass domains. And nobody knows what they're gonna need until that company comes out. So it's really interesting to see what's available and what isn't. I mean, eventually .coms are just gonna be gone. No, I haven't sold any domains. I'm hoarding all my domains right now. None of them, you know, I'm waiting for that next startup to get massive, and it's called Storebloom. You know? And they have storebloom.io or some shit, but they're like, we need the .com. You know, a really good example of that is, do you remember when OpenAI came out? And they had, you know, the #1 tool, ChatGPT, right? So I noticed this early on, that every time I wanted to go to ChatGPT, I would type in chatgpt.com. And you know what happened? I would go to a random website. I forget what it was. Let's see if we can actually pull it up. It's Wayback Machine Archive chatgpt.com. So let's go back to like early ChatGPT. So originally chatgpt.com was, I swear I'm not crazy. Okay, well, somebody bought it on GoDaddy. Good to know. And then let's actually go here. Yeah. And the moral of my story is it started out as somebody else owned this website. Yeah, you see, this was ChatGPT before. And it's obviously this might have been owned by OpenAI still, or maybe the company that was bought by OpenAI. But it wasn't the tool you were using. It wasn't OpenAI's ChatGPT every time you went to chatgpt.com. So, and it just recently, I noticed going to chatgpt.com took you to the tool. And so they either, you know, paid up the ass to buy it from these people, or maybe, like I said, maybe they acquired the ChatGPT company or whatever. But this definitely wasn't. I don't think this was OpenAI's. Yeah, I'm trying to go back even more. I mean, when I first saw it, I swear. Yeah, that might be it. Oh shit. I don't want to download anything. Yeah, I wonder when it actually changed. Let's see where it was at last December. Oh, it was broken. Yeah, here we go. Redirecting the chat OpenAI. Yeah, that's what it was. I remember chat.openai was the actual website that it would take you to, or where you were. I just wonder when they did the transition. Yeah, OpenAI is OpenAI. What about you, June? Now I'm just interested. Wasting time. How old is Elon Musk? Interesting. Yeah, it's very interesting what this site was. But it definitely wasn't the ChatGPT tool. So my whole point was, it's good to have a domain. Because you might have to sell it to a company that uses your name. You know? And I've seen Mindbloom, which was a new company that does like psilocybin therapy or something like that. And like when I saw that, I'm like, ooh, like it's pretty close. What if the company was, you know, Storebloom or something close to Storebloom, maybe even like Storybloom, and they want to have the domain that people keep typing in? Because honestly, I don't use it anymore. It was my domain for my freelance e-commerce development business that I had. Now I just use it for my email, but yeah, I used to use it all the time for my business. It made sense to me. Storebloom, you're building stores. You're gonna buy every single domain. You're not gonna appreciate those yearly costs. That adds up quick. And I think they already said there's like no oh whoops, I don't want to reinstall. Shit. Yeah, I think after a certain like number of characters, they don't have anything available anymore. Seashellstudio.com. Let's see, what does that look like? Did you just buy that right now? Very nice. You did. You totally did. You just used their fucking parking thing. I love it. Nice. Powered by Arrow. Using AI to build your website. Yeah, man. They have they have AI WordPress website builders now. Pretty cool. I have a question. Name, Orbem Orator. Email, none ya business at layoff.com. How dare you not respond to me right away? As soon as we can. First off, who the fuck is we? How dare you lie, acting like you have more than one person there? I do that like on everything too. Makes you sound super official. Talking in the third person. You don't even know how to get into it. Yeah, I know. They have like a built-in chat bot for you to use. You'd probably have to get into the admin here or something and get into it. That's really funny though. Yeah, and people ask me sometimes, like, are you threatened by the AI website builders and all that kind of stuff? And I'm like, no. Look at them. Shit. That'd be cool. It'd be cool if websites were just built already, and then I just had to make them better and maintain them. That's fine. I don't like building sites from scratch anyways. I mean, I don't mind it, but... yeah. It'll be some shitty code, I know that. Or be some, like, incomprehensible code. Let me through. Did I fix the whole showing thing? No, I didn't. Wait, what was I trying to do? If it's a cutscene. Oh, if it's not a cutscene, then do that. That's why. I was backwards. Oh, you found it and responded? Oh, well, I already left. That wasn't a real web email, so there's no way for me to get back to that message. That's cool, though. Yeah, just leave that website up. That's all you need right now anyways, huh? Try again. You're out for real? Alright, Seashell. Yeah, I'll probably be packing up pretty soon. Your fake email is the first in my mailing list. Hey, good. My image went away. That's funny. Yeah, I'm glad you have a website too. Hey, let me know if you actually want to do something with it. You need any pointers. I don't mind giving you some advice. Being that's all I do every day. Web development. But yeah, man. I'll catch you in your next stream. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in mine even sooner. Happy Friday Eve. Peace. And then I want to... What am I doing? I think... Do I have a... Am I trying to fix a bug? I don't think I am. Maybe. Come on. This should work fine. Boop. Alright. And then this should work. Great. And then yeah, I want to just try to go through the entire tutorial level as it stands right now. Because I really would like to nail down the user crewmate tutorial at some point. You did it. If you go to Orbem Vercel app, it will take you to orbemortar.com. Also, if you do something like Orbem, it will take you. Nice. You put like a wildcard redirect in there. Hell yeah, man. Love it. Now nobody can take Orbem Vercel app. That's also important. Alright, let's go here. And boop. Let's go meet what's-her-face at Bylon. And boop. Should be able to safely leave now. Doop, 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 while my transportation recharges. Okay. That's what I was trying to fix. So the talking is still broken. And the dude's not knows why. So this definitely was doing something. But it appears that this was not moving where it needs to. Or I guess the whole thing. You think it's because of all these characters in here? I don't know. I want to refresh and see if I can actually see what's going on. Okay, so it is working. Only problem is it's not showing anything. Wait. What? Why did that not send me back in the first place? Was there an error? Hold up. Alright, whatever. We know what we're fixing. We want to fix the talking. And I'm not 100% sure why. I think what I want to do though is go to cutscene logic, which is this crap. Yeah. So this, I don't want to show if it's a cutscene area, which I believe I have that already set. Is cutscene area. You're going onto the checkout page and then the GoDaddy website crashed. Oh crap. That's not good. What's going on with GoDaddy right now? Oh, here we go. It's cutscene area. Awesome. So I only want these if it's a cutscene area. If it's not a cutscene area, I keep mixing those up. This? No. Wait. Huh? This. Yeah, this. False equals. And. Alright. So that's good. I wonder if that's the only issue. Let's go try it out again. Okay. That was the issue. It was all their images were in the way. Okay. Cool. Solve that. Okay. Oh, shit. So what is this? What is happening here? I thought I fixed this. Wait, what? Ah. Obviously, something's wrong here. So the default the default map is not that. Where is it? It's in here. This. Oh. Why is the default map not saying it's a cutscene? Ooh, that's weird. I thought it did do that. Show me the explore map. Oh. Does that not change? Oh. Weird. Hold please. Next area. No, let's go to Orbem. No, new area. Yeah, here we go. So, can I determine if it's a cutscene area? I thought I could. Default map. Materialize logic, no. Loading missions, no. What about cutscene? For 1 year, it's only $12. Yeah. And if you do like 3 or 5 years, the cost goes down even more because they lock you in. Sometimes they have like a deal where like the year is actually cheaper. All right. You put the wrong USB in the deck. So I don't see any indicator that it's a cutscene area. So I'm gonna need to know that. How? I don't know. I'll have to do an actual enter area, what, new area, area, here we go, get Orbem area. So can I determine if it's a cutscene? Because I can just put that here. Cutscene area is area cutscene. Oh, I do that. Is cutscene. Shit, I already have it right there. Okay. Well, why am I not reading that? Is cutscene. How's this coming out? It's coming out in new map items. Here we go. Where is cutscene? Is cutscene. Oh, I'm doing it right here. Engage cutscene. Okay, well good. Now I can also do that. I need to set the default map. Oh wait, where's the default map? I know I already used that here. Is it map container? Here we go. So I need to set that data point right here. Set attribute. I guess I can just do data set dot. What am I doing? Shit. I'm looking for something default map. Is cutscene. Got it. Equals true. What am I doing? I guess that. Wait, where's map container getting set? It's all coins. Oh yeah, that's true. She would accept it. She might not accept it at all. She might just pay for you. Wait, where's map oh, that's container. I don't need container. I need default map, which is this. New default map. Oh, maybe I should put this higher up than in the logic. Let's do that. Boop-a-doop. Oh yeah. That's fine, I can do it down here, I guess. Is cutscene. Oh, yes. God damn it. Alright, now this should work. Well, yeah, well, don't work her up. Then she definitely won't do it. Save it for next time. Alright, let's try again. So I know this will work when I refresh. So let's actually let it take me out, and then I'll go back and try again. Yeah, it is cutscene, yes. Yeah, so that worked fine. Let's try again. Because default map doesn't have the data set, but if I go there, it needs to. So you should use WordPress for your website. I mean, I'll never push WordPress on anybody. It's what I know the best. Just like it's hard for people to push game engines on other people that are just starting out. It's really easy to get going on WordPress though. So if you want just like an out-of-the-box system that you can mess around with and learn how to manipulate yourself, go for it. But I mean, there's a million other web builders out there. I mean, you can just build it yourself, you know, out of HTML and CSS and JavaScript. But if you want a way of managing the content, like how I'm managing the game content, like a built way to do that, yeah, I would use WordPress. I wouldn't use like Drupal or web form or whatever. Yeah, try it out. Just build a local website, mess around with it, see what you can do. Why is Jeannie down there? Like, why is she getting left behind? Oh look, cutscene worked. Alright, cool. It worked perfect. The only thing that's not perfect is, why are you here? You have been long since completed. I don't know why that happens sometimes. Pulls missions that are definitely already gone. Makes no sense. It's like it's resetting. Not what I meant to click. I mean, whatever, I know what the database says. Alright. So now that I got that working, let's try to get through the entire flow again. Yeah, try WordPress. It's really easy to manipulate content. It's really easy to use third-party themes. There's full site editing now where you can, you know, build the website without even touching code, you know, really easily at this point with the way full site editing is. I mean, you can use their default theme and do a hell of a lot. I mean, I built this site right here, the Ryan Wood Show, for my buddy, just using their default theme with full site editing, and you know, has a lot of things built in. You know, I made this custom post type specific for videos, but like, you know, when you keep it minimalist, it's makes things really easy. And yeah, I did most of this without any code. You know, just utilizing WordPress's out-of-the-box menus, content, you know, making some images and that kind of stuff. They have YouTube embeds, blocks. Yeah, so I mean, even I use the default themes when I'm just starting out, something fresh. I mean, you're not trying to build a website that has functionality for a business, you know, so it's easy. All right. Come on, buddy. Let's get through this together. Thanks. Before that, I need to tell you that you have to go find your onboarder. She'll be in the research grid. Alrighty. And yeah, nowadays I barely, you know, I created the theme for my website, orbem.com, but I utilize most of the settings and content stuff for a lot of the site maintenance now that I do. You know, now that it's already built. And if you already have a theme that's built, then you don't have to do all that work. Uh-huh. I know you spelled Bylon wrong, but it's okay. Let me pass. Thank you. She's got a wide girth. You'll definitely try WordPress? Sweet, man. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let me know, man. There's one thing I know, it's WordPress. So, and I know it at all levels, you know what I mean? So if you just need help with like where a settings menu is to do menus, or where theme options are, what you should be setting. Oh shit. Stop. I hate that. You know, there's a lot of... I've dealt with WordPress for a very long time, so I know all the little quirks with permalinks and taxonomies and all this stuff that you might run into when you're trying to build something cool. And if you get really into it and you start building your own plugins and themes, you got a career on your hand, in your back pocket, you know? Might not even be something you want to do all the time, but telling you, man, I jumped on Craigslist not too long ago. I just found a $2,000 job real quick. Hey, I need help working on my web pages. Just some easy money out there. Alright, we're going to meet her at Bailon. This is going to work. It's going to send me back. And then tomorrow we can finish... look, they're both here. We can finish the goddamn tutorial section so I can actually program my transportation and get us to Orbem. It's so hard to get to Orbem. Okay. We're here. So there should be fire there. There should be 3 characters. And there we go. And both of the items are there. Fantastic. So the next thing I need to do is get the stupid button to actually complete. Oh man. How come this is still not completing? This is supposed to start a new mission. Why is that not happening? Hold on, let me try it locally. And just make sure. Because this is supposed to finish. Yeah. Mission name, get to your lab. Mission complete name, meet Iona at Bailon. Which this should have been completed. And yet it was not. Let's see. Coordinates. Coordinates. This is points. Look. It completed the mission. Oh, you think that the completed mission didn't register in time? Oh, maybe. I didn't think about that. Yeah, because if I refresh right now, I bet that goes away. It does. Though it didn't do the put fire out, which is unfortunate. Put fire out. Yeah, that's not even here. Fire. Oh, here's the mission item. Yeah, oh no, here it is. Put the fire out. Oh, put out fire. So it's a next mission. No, it has a next mission. Okay, it is a next mission. Well, technically it is, but it should be registered. I mean, it should be being triggered because the parent of this is gone. So why is this not showing? Alright, I'll have to look at that. Alright, man. Indie Pond. I am going to shove off and get some sleep. I always appreciate you here, and everybody who's jumped on in the Shorts live feed, thank you. I appreciate your viewership, and hopefully you subscribe or come hang out and talk to me next time. But yeah, besides that, everybody have a great night, and if you're watching this in the future, join the live stream so I can talk to you. And we'll send off with some fireworks, I think. There we go. And a thumbs up. Fantastic. Alright. Have a good night, day, evening, whatever time it is for you. See you later, everybody.